Welcome back. Today's project name is MoonBear. Generates sustainable wealth accumulation and passive income. MoonBear finance, its token ticker is MBF, is a community-driven, ethical, fair, launched, decentralized finance DeFi cryptocurrency token with supercharged tokenomics. As you can see here, 1 BNB equal to MFB tokens. Here you can connect your wallet and can buy this token. Is already listed on CoinSplit exchange. Here you can read what makes them different from other projects. No fees when you buy. Some tokens charge a fee when you purchase them, resulting in immediate financial loss. When buying MBF, you will incur 0% buy fee and have the peace of mind that you will receive 100% of the MBF that you pay for. And second is autonomous buyback. Whenever there is a scale of MBF token, 2% of the amount is put toward further buyback transaction. Unlike other tokens with the buybacks, we don't burn these buyback tokens but put them into our staking reward pool. And third is staking reward, which is coming soon. MoonBear offers many rewards to holders and stakers. Accumulate more MBF just by holding tokens staked to earn additional stable reward and receive quarterly bear pay token buyback. As a MoonBear MBF token holder, you will be supporting our token price and our ability to raise funds for the MoonBear cause. For every scale transaction, 2% of the transaction amount will be dedicated as a fee and donated towards initiative to help save and repopulate the MoonBear species and other endangered wildlife. And this is tokenomics detail: 3% marketing, 3% reward, 2% burn, 2% holders, 2% liquidity, 2% buyback, 2% team, and 2% charity. And this is supply detail: network Binance Smart Chain, no seed or private sale, no initial token burn, no initial team and advisor token, treasury token used for staking reward and promotions. And this is the roadmap detail. Q2 2021. The MoonBear has been born. Q3 2021. MoonBear is ready to release, and Q4 2021. MoonBear is warming up his rocket. Key members of MoonBear. Buy MoonBear Finance MBF. Step 1. Step 2. You can buy this token through BNB with MetaMask or with Trust Wallet. And this FAQ section, you can also read all detail, and these are the social links to follow. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.